How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, we have to talk about the newly released Galaxy Buds Live. So I'm a long time Samsung user, right? Like, I've been using Galaxy Buds as my day-to-day earbuds for getting close to a year now. I think I got these last fall. These have been a lifesaver. These have been my favorite earbuds by far. They've been all the other truly wireless earbuds I've tried in the past. The reason for that is just because they work with my S9 so well. The connectivity, as soon as you open them up, they connect to my phone. Battery life it's okay. It's not the best. It's obviously deteriorated a little over time, but they're wireless charging, and they also charge via USB Type-C. Very small, compact case, and the earbuds fit really nicely in your ears, especially with the fins. So when I saw that these newly released Galaxy Buds Live just went live on August 6th, I thought I had to talk about them. So these are weird, right? I mean, like, they came out the Galaxy Buds Plus, which was just an upgrade to the ones I have. I have the first gen ones. The Galaxy Buds Plus were like a minor improvement in almost every aspect. So I'm actually interested in getting the Galaxy Buds Plus in the future. But then these drop and they look nothing like these, like completely different. These literally look like little beans, like kidney beans, which is crazy. So these came out August 6, 2020. So what is that? 2 days ago or something? $169 USD. Way too overpriced. I'm just going to say that right now. I got these for I think maybe less than $70 off Mercari, brand new. Crazy. You can get some great deals on those right now. $169, way too expensive. You're getting into like Apple AirPods Pro territory. The case is also not this shape, not the pill shape anymore. It's more roundish, square-ish. I think it's slightly bigger. I have the dimensions here, but this is kind of irrelevant. It's rated IPX2 water and dust, or just water resistant, which I don't know if that's as good as these. I think it's slightly weaker, and I think that rating is actually not very good. Bluetooth 5.0, so it's great. Wireless fast charging just like these, so check plus there. What I've heard so far is that the fit in the ear is a little weird at first, since it's this kidney bean shape and it takes a little time adjusting in your ear, but once it is adjusted, it is a secure fit, and you can hardly even tell they're there because of how small they are, which I don't know if they're going for that trend in the future where they want to continue to make them smaller and smaller, but I don't know. If you can't feel them in your ear, I think that's a plus. So like here I'm reading that some people said the sound quality wasn't that great, but then I'm hearing it was amazing from other people. So I don't really know who to believe at the moment. I would love to get these in hand and actually do a review. So Samsung, send them out, because I'm probably not going to buy these myself, honestly. Like, I'm fine with these earbuds. People complained a little bit about the active noise cancellation. They say the AirPods Pro were better. They said that the active noise cancellation did not fully get rid of all background noise. It removed some, but not all. So just take that with a grain of salt. If you really care about active noise cancellation, maybe get something along the lines of like AirPods Pro, because I've heard those do a fantastic job at actually doing that. And I also heard that the microphone quality was really solid on them. I know that on these the mic quality is not the best. I have heard from my friends and family say like that my voice is not that clear on these, but these are the first gen ones. That's to be expected. But for these, I think they added more microphones on them to overall improve the sound quality. So that's a great quality right there. And then I think they just added, I'm not sure if they updated the app or not, but I heard that the bass was really good, and then you can crank the bass up even more in the app to make the bass even better. So if you like bass, I think you should go with those. The bass on the Galaxy Buds is fantastic as well. But yeah, that's basically all I have to say for these. I mean, battery life I'm sure is fantastic as well. But yeah, I just wish the price was slightly lower. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, check out the College Made Easy podcast, link down below. It's my podcast I run with my friends from college. We give the best tips and tricks on how to be a successful college student. So if you're interested in that, just click the link in the description below, the one that says check out my podcast, and you go over to the YouTube channel there. We also have an audio version available on all podcasting services. So yeah, I might leave a link to these if they're available on Amazon. If they're not, I apologize, I can't link them, but I might link these as well. Galaxy Buds on Amazon. These are amazing if you have a Samsung device, especially. Battery life is great on these. Wireless charging, USB Type-C, great fit in ear, amazing sound quality. I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Peace out.